Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your destination for innovative tech that makes life easier and more fun. Today, we're checking out the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6QT, a versatile kitchen powerhouse that lets you air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, proof, reheat, and keep your food warm, all in one compact appliance. Starting with performance, the TurboBlaze offers precise heating from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring even cooking every time. No more guessing or unevenly cooked meals, whether you're frying crispy chicken, roasting vegetables, or baking your favorite desserts, this air fryer delivers consistent results. Its premium ceramic coating provides a non-stick surface, making cleanup simple and healthy cooking even easier since it requires little to no oil. That's perfect for anyone looking to enjoy delicious meals without extra calories. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families or meal prep, fitting plenty of food in one batch. And with 9 cooking functions, you can experiment with countless recipes: air fry, bake, roast, broil, dry, reheat, proof dough, and even keep meals warm until you're ready to eat. Cosori's intuitive digital touchscreen makes operation smooth and easy. You can quickly select the desired cooking mode, set time and temperature, and start cooking with confidence. Plus, the air fryer's rapid air circulation ensures faster cooking with crispy, golden results every time. Safety and convenience are built in. The cool touch handle and automatic shutoff protect your hands and prevent overheating, while the compact design fits comfortably on your countertop without taking up too much space. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or a culinary enthusiast, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer simplifies meal prep while delivering healthier, tastier food in less time. Buy it now on Amazon using the link below, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more honest, detailed reviews of gadgets that make your life easier and more enjoyable.